Okay, so this is question 12 in section 6.1. So you have this rectangular shape, 5 meters by 8.4 meters, and you obviously need to find the area of this little triangle shape that's missing in the middle of it. So to 3 decimal places as well. Okay, so first thing you do is find the area of the rectangle. So it's going to be 5 multiplied by 8.4, and get out your calculators if you need it. 42 meters squared. Now, looking at your little triangle here, these lines are telling us that each one of these angles is 60 degrees. And the length from here to here is the same as the length from here to here and the length from here to here. So first of all, we look at our triangle and we work out the length of the side. So from here to here is 8.4. So we divide that by 3. We're getting 2.8 meters. So you have a triangle of 2.8 meters. You need to find the area of it. There's 2 ways you go about doing this. Probably one is a little longer than the other. So if you want to use Pythagoras, you could call that 1.4. That there, you know, is 60. That there is 30. That there would have to be 90. This here we know to be 2.8, and this here is x. And you'd set up your Pythagoras. 2.8 squared is equal to x squared plus 1.4 squared. Work out what the length of this is, and then you have your half your base by the perpendicular height. So very quickly I'll just do that. 2.8 for 2.8. Okay, you're getting 7.8. 4 is equal to x squared plus 1.4 squared should be 1.96 is. So that's giving you x squared is equal to the square root of 5.88. So x is equal to 2.4247. Now you have to go to 3 decimal places, so I'd always recommend that you puff this out a little bit. If it says to 3 in the question, I'd puff it out to 4 or 5, because I'm going to have to use that number again. Now, let's let's work out the area of this triangle. So it's half your base. Your base is 2.8 by the perpendicular height, which is 2.42487. So you're getting an answer of 3.39. Again, going out those few extra places, and instead of stopping at 3, we're going to go out to 5. So that's the area of that. So you're taking your you're getting your 42 meters and you're taking that away from it. And you should be getting an answer of 38. Yep, 38.60519. Round that to 3 decimal places, you're getting 38.605 meters squared. Okay, quite a long way to go about doing the question. When you have your triangle here like this, I would think about just using the other way you find the area of the triangle, which is half AB sine C. Much quicker in this situation because it's a half 2.8 by 2.8 by the sine of 60 degrees put that in your calculator. And you're going to get the same answer as you got down here. 3.3948. So take one away from the other and you're getting the same answer. So you're getting your 38.605 meters squared. So no harm to look at this question, just to give you a reminder before we start moving into, I suppose, doing exam style questions. There are more than one way to find the area of a triangle. There's a number of different ways that you need to know in your course. So half the base by the perpendicular height, and this way over here, half AB sine C, as well as coordinate geometry. But just a little refresher, there are more than one way to skin a cat, I suppose.